Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to set up US Bank mobile payment. In order to set up US Bank mobile payment, first thing first, you want to follow the steps like downloading your US Bank mobile app on your device. And after you're done installing or downloading, you want to press onto the login button. Tap the menu icon and select manage card from the list. Then you want to choose the card that you want to add and select add to digital wallet or digital wallet. Then you could choose your preferred wallet and follow the on-screen instruction to complete setup and perfection as well. In the app, you want to select transfer and pay and then pay the bills as well. And that's how you're going to set up US mobile payments. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And if you're having any sort of issue, you want to simply contact support team, let them know about it, and that's how things will fix.